Meet Daniel Dumbrell, an avid tweeter and podcaster on YouTube. One of his favorite topics, Tibet and Dalai Lama. Last few days, he has been very busy on Twitter. Tweeting about what? The Dalai Lama. So why is Daniel so vested in His Holiness and Tibet? The answer is simple. Just click on his YouTube channel link and you will find out.
I have not stepped out of China for nearly half a decade.
Can I hug you? It's a question. It was amazing meeting His Holiness, and I think it's a really great experience meeting somebody with such high positive energy. It's a really nice feeling meeting him, and you get a lot of that positive energy. It's not just like that, but once you get the positive energy, I think you're happier and it's a better thing and you smile a lot more. It was a really good experience overall.
I'm Dr. Payal Kanodia, Trustee M3M Foundation. We've been working in Dharamshala on this skill center which we started last year. And since then we were looking at seeking blessings from His Holiness. And today we got this opportunity, and especially when my family was there with me, and all the students who graduated from I Empower Academy of Skills were also present. We're totally blessed to have got these blessings from His Holiness. He came, addressed us in person, taught about peace that the world needs and how everyone needs to feel together like brother and sister. And I absolutely cannot express how I feel getting blessed by him. Thank you.
He always entertain us and make us happy. In our culture, showing tongue is a mark of respect and greetings. It means that you have no poison in your mind and body. Actually, suck my tongue would be eat my tongue. Translation, English. Which basically means I have nothing to offer you. The 14th Dalai Lama is a man of peace. Dalai Lamas are the manifestation of the Bodhisattva of compassion. Please don't underestimate him. He is our Guru and a God. His whole life was committed for the welfare of others. In this world, we need more people like him who can contribute peace to this world. He who can treat all human beings the same and oneness. His whole life has given us humanity. He taught us how to do mental hygiene. He who committed his life for others. He has no bank account, no property. And he is the only sincere practitioner in this modern world, I would say. Whoever judge him or accuse him, I would say, is a sin. What goes around, what comes around. Yes, they talk about children's safety, blah, blah, blah. If you really worry and concern about children's safety, then fight with China. Today, 1 million of Tibetan children as young as 5 years old, taking from their home by force from their parents to colonial boarding school in Beijing to eradicate our culture and language. If you are one of the parents, how do you feel about that? We have been suffering tremendously under the Chinese hand for the past 70 years. Nobody talk about that. Why? Because that shows how this evil world is we live in. It shows us how selfish we are. Nobody gives a crap. China bullies not only Tibetans, remember, but everywhere. Everywhere. And finally, my wish is, who do you trust the most? My answer would be the one and only His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Not even my parents. You know what I mean. Thank you.